Focused inbox. Tired of a cluttered inbox filled with unnecessary emails? ZenInbox's focused inbox ensures that your attention stays on the most relevant messages, helping you eliminate distractions and boost productivity. Focused inbox is an intelligent filtering system helps you filter out non-essential emails and keep your inbox organized by automatically categorizing emails based on your defined rules. This feature works through automation, where you can create custom workflows to prioritize, label, or move emails based on specific triggers. Steps to enable focus. Mode in ZenInbox. Log in to ZenInbox. Click on the Automation tab from the left sidebar. Click on the Create Automation button. Choose a trigger. Select Incoming Emails as your trigger event. This means focus mode will apply as emails arrive. Apply logic, filtering rules. Add a focus filter by clicking on Focus under the Logic section. On the right panel, enter focus keywords, phrases, for example, important clients, project names. Select Custom Filtering Rules. Subject line. Email body raw. Email header. Set up action, mark as clutter, which separate low-priority emails from the focused inbox. Finally, click on Save Workflow at the top right corner, and your focus mode is now active.